The symphony of languages in Fiji is as enchanting as its turquoise seas and lush landscapes. Here, words weave the fabric of a nation's soul, telling stories of its people, their migrations, and the unity they've fostered. Let's embark on a linguistic voyage to the heart of the Pacific, where the language is more than mere communication. It's the essence of Fijian life. In the Fijian archipelago, 3 tongues stand prominent: English, Fijian, and Fiji Hindi. English, the official language, bridges the island's diverse communities, a legacy of British colonial rule. The native Fijian, with its Austronesian roots, resonates with the indigenous majority. Meanwhile, Fiji Hindi, a tapestry woven from Indian dialects, English and Fijian, echoes the heritage of Indian laborers from bygone eras. Language is the heartbeat of culture, and in Fiji, it pulses distinctly within each community. Fijian thrives in traditional ceremonies and music, a pillar of indigenous identity. Fiji Hindi marks the Indian Fijian community, a blend of Indian and Fijian nuances. English, meanwhile, symbolizes modernity and international engagement, a tool for education and advancement. Education in Fiji sails on the winds of language. English dominates as the instructional medium, yet the Fijian government sails towards preserving its linguistic treasures, teaching Fijian and Fiji Hindi in schools, and nurturing a new generation of native speakers. Tourism, the jewel of Fiji's economy, thrives on linguistic diversity. While English caters to international visitors, a word in Fijian or Fiji Hindi can enchant, bridging cultures and enhancing the island experience. Yet the tides of language face challenges. English's allure threatens to erode indigenous tongues. The quest for resources and skilled educators is relentless. But hope glimmers as efforts to digitize and document Fijian languages promise to anchor them for future generations. In Fiji, every word, every phrase, is a voyage through its storied past and vibrant present, a journey to the very heart of this island paradise. Book with the Fiji Islands at Far and Away Adventures.